Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually want to do a tutorial on how to do hooded eyes. My eyelids are pretty hooded for the most part, but it has a little bit of eye space when I look straight forward. If I could look straight forward. Sorry, I have my mirror right here. So I have, basically have hooded eyes. And it's very rare that I see tutorials on how to do looks specifically for hooded eyes. I wish I had a lot of eye space so I could do those like bold, beautiful colors and stuff like that, but I don't have that luxury. So I want to start doing tutorials strictly on eyes and then kind of build from there. I'll probably do one half with the eye look and the other without, just so we can see the difference. Also with me, I noticed that my left eyelid is a lot bigger than my right eyelid. So I have to do things a little different on both sides just so they look even. And my goal is to always make them look like sisters, even though they will never look like twins. Sisters is good enough in my opinion. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And today I'm going to be doing, if anybody remembers this, the Chrysalis eyeshadow palette from Kat Von D. I am just going to do a simple, I'm going to do a smoky eye for a hooded eye, and just kind of using 2 to 3 colors predominantly, and we will get into it without further ado. Alright, so I got you in as close as I possibly could. I went ahead and put down tape. I still use tape a lot. First step, priming the lids. I am going in with Fenty Beauty's eyeshadow primer. Perfect. Just gonna go ahead and prime the lids as much as I possibly can. There we go. And I like my eyeliner or my eyeshadow to come out all the way out here because I like it dramatic. Put that down. Perfect. So first step, always like to prime my lids. I'll give that a second to settle in, and then we will get right into the tutorial. Alright, since we're doing more of a smoky eye, I am actually going to go in with Entombed, which is a sparkling purple. And I am going to lay that all over my eyelid. Just pack it on. This is actually a very gorgeous color. So for smoky eyes, you really don't have to pay a lot of attention as to the cleanliness of how you apply it. So packing it on with a, there we go. And then going in with a fluffy brush. And just smoking out the edges. So I like to do a lot more color and cool tones on me just because, I don't know, I've just always loved it. Pack it on for a little bit more intensity. Perfect. Add a little bit to the brush. And with this, I actually like to let that lighting fix, bring it out a little bit more, and follow my eye socket. And that is going to lift up the eye a little bit and open it just a smidge is what you want. Perfect. Awesome. Next, I am going to go in with the blue. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Mezzanine, something like that. So with this one, I am going to get a more precise, detailed brush. Now for this, I'm putting it directly on this bone right here. Let's do it up like this. Go back on all the bone. And then going with the fluffy brush. And just blend it out. Get a little bit on the brush. Blend it out a little bit more. If you hear movement in the background, that's my dog. There we go. God, I forgot how good this palette was. So a lot of the looks I do on me specifically is literally just a lot of blending. It just takes a lot of blending. And then right into that corner V. Ooh, this is like bubblegum. Perfect. And going back with this brush. Back into that sparkling purple. That violet. And then really going back up into that. To clean it up a little bit. Not gonna lie, I have my moments where I have messy eyelids, eye looks, and stuff like that. And this is gonna be one of them. And then go back to just blending. Perfect. There we go. Now for the outer corner, I'm gonna go with this darker blue, which is the Hybrid Moments. Ooh, I love blues like this. Cleaning off my brushes. And it's really hot under these lights. And with this is like a matte, deep ocean blue, which I love. Literally putting this in the corner and into my eye socket. Going for a little bit more to intensify it. And into the socket. Then going in with this brush and just blend it. Just to really create that depth and that V in that corner. Boom. So this is literally a step by step, and it's all about just going back in, applying some more, and it's all about building and having the right tools for the eye look. Then blend it out. Okay, yeah, I am starting to sweat under these lights. So I have hooded eyes with an almond shape. And I just like to really brighten and open my eyes. Now look at that. Bubblegum, popness. I am living for it. And for the brow bone. And the great thing about doing the brow bone last is that it actually gives me a chance to actually clean up a little bit up here and fade it out. God. So I am gonna go in with this pink right here. It's like a pink, God. There we go, that one. And just right under the brow. Freaking hair's in the way. And there's a freaking fly in here. And it landed right on my camera. Freaking freak. There we go. It's gone. So, you're really staring at me while I'm doing a video. Alright, so This is actually just to tone this down. And as you can tell, I have like a very predominant brow bone. See? And this is just to, so say you overshaded or you brought out the color way too far. You can just tone it down and literally just go back in and blend it back out. And blend. So the looks I create is literally all about blending, building, blending, building, blending. So going back in with a little bit more of that sparkle, lilac purple. Just putting it all over the eyelid again. Boom. Look at that. Whew. She purty. She real purty. Alright. See how dark that is? Now I'm actually gonna grab a little bit more of this dark blue and just put a little bit more drama in the corner. And just build it up to the right amount you want. Whew. And go back in and build up that intensity on the eyelid. Just so it has a proper gradient, fade, and blend. See? All right, remove the tape. It already has that predominant line there. And my leg is falling asleep. Whew. So, to add a little bit more intensity to my eye, I'm actually gonna go in with the Zero eyeliner by Urban Decay. And a chunk of that eyeliner just broke off into my eye. Perfect. Oh, sorry. There we go. Lined it, dramatic, love it. Eyelash curl, curl it. Now for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with this lighter blue, this one, on the tip of this brush, and just connect. And connect it to the out. And with the fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the color I put on my eyelids. And just rim it. And it's just all about building. Going back and just building it. There we go. Mascara. Actually, let me tone down the edge of the right over here, because I'm trying to keep it more of a wearable look. Actually, I like that. All right. Going with mascara. Going in with Marc Jacobs thingy. Oh, fuck, I just poked my eye. Perfect. And that is it. Obviously, you could go in. I would go in and clean it up a lot more. But yeah, this is it. So, my final look on a palette that is very old. To really create a lot of these looks, it's all about understanding your eye shape and the effect you're trying to go for. Obviously, this is it without having any foundation on or it actually being cleaned up. It is what it is. I would probably call this more of a cotton candy. There we go. There we go. So there you guys could see the difference of eye done. Ooh, Charlie's Angels. To not. So it literally is just about understanding your eye shape and how to pull things out. Sorry about that. Just trying to get it over here. I bring my eyeshadows out a little bit more just to elongate my eyes. Like I said, I have almond eye shape. So I like to emphasize everything out a little bit more than it really is. So there we go. Bubblegum Pop Electric, I would have to say. So this I freaking love. I love cool tone palettes. Yeah. So with this, you could add a liner. I don't do wing liner on me because this could take up a lot of my lid space, and you're not gonna be able to see the eyeshadow, the work I just did. With this look, I would probably just add false lashes, but make them look natural rather than dramatic, unless that's what you want. But there you guys go. Something simple, something easy, 3 colors. Get the right tools, good eyeshadow primer, and just play. It's a huge difference. Huge, huge difference. So if I go like this, as opposed to this. Eventually I'll be doing full face of how I do my complexion for the looks I do specifically for my Instagram. The complexion I can do for my Instagram is totally different from what I do for my professional photo shoots. I will get into more detail about that coming up soon. So I'm starting to get more into videos, tutorials. I'll do my best to make it a lot more crisp, clean, whatever, yada yada. But I'm just working with my camera phone for right now because you can see the professional stuff done on my Instagram page. Don't forget to check out my website, my makeup Instagram, and my professional Instagram page for my photography and makeup work. And I am trying to get into finding more models where I can do more looks on besides just doing it on me. I'm bored with my face. I'm very bored with the looks I create on my face. I do my face a lot, so it's very But yes, hooded eye tutorials. More tutorials coming strictly for hooded eyes because we need a little bit more love. We need a little bit more tutorials, and we need a little bit more life, in my opinion. So there you go. I'm going to go wash this off. Maybe create another look. We'll see. Bye.